Death at sunrise. Luna Azul Reposado, 1 ounce and a half. Then we get some St. George Brandy Absinthe, 1 ounce and a half. Love it. Okay, we got the 19 crimes, and here it comes. Look at that smoking vapors. This is a crossbreed cocktail between a Death Afternoon and a Tequila Sunrise. Fill juice and champagne to your liking. Look at them oils. Ooh, that loose. Put some orange juice, some grenadine, a teaspoon. Oops. Yeah, a teaspoon. Probably a little more. Did I have no oranges for no orange slices? So we're just gonna garnish it with a lemon peel. Drop in the oils. Watch the bubbly sizzle. There it is. Look at it. Look at that sunrise. Death at sunrise.